Is it Friday the 13th? Chills. The number 13 is bad, there's no getting around it. It's a superstition in so many cultures. You just don't want to start anything on Friday the 13th. But why? Why do we fear this day so much? The ominous origins of Friday the 13th ranges from gods to simple coincidences. Numerology and superstition have always had a hand-to-hand relationship. So, the fear of this day in scientific terms is called as, it's going to be a mouthful, Paraskevide Paraskevide Paraskevide. Yes, that's the word. So it's basically a combination of two fears. Triskaidekaphobia, which is a fear of number 13, and also just plain fear of Fridays, which is so weird because Friday is probably the best day of the week, right?
No, Sunday is the best.
Am I doing this video or are you? Yeah. So there are so many superstitions in the world which make people do weird things. So many people would not want a black cat to cross their path. Some people would never walk under ladders. Breaking a mirror? 7 years bad luck. All these superstitions have not seen the mass appeal of unluckiness that comes with Friday the 13th. Hell, there's a whole film series about this day. Most of the superstition about this day comes from religion, most notably Christianity. Judas was supposedly the 13th guest to show up at the Last Supper. And we all know how that turned out. Jesus was also crucified on a Friday. Now, there are a lot of biblical rumors around it, like Adam and Eve allegedly ate the forbidden fruit on a Friday. Noah supposedly set the sail on his ark because the flood reached its maximum on a Friday. Now that I think of it, even I was born on a Friday.
Dude, how do you even know all this?
Dude, I'm working here.
I still feel like I've never read any of this, okay?
I mean, of course, there's no real way to vet a lot of this because the Bible happened like what? A bajillion years ago? Happy? So basically, weekends really suck in the Bible apparently. Well, some historians also state that the church made us believe that Friday was unlucky. Friday was named after Frigg, the Norse goddess of love and sex, who was a pretty revered deity back in the day. Now, we all know what men in power do to women who are strong female figures. Yes, that's right, they demonize them. So, to fight her growing influence, the Christian church vilified her as a witch. Rumor has it that she used to meet her secret coven consisting of 12 other witches, which rounded the number up to 13, that's right. Brought it to a full circle.